How's it going? Dave here. My channel is all about helping you create awesome neo-soul, R&B, and modern sounds on your guitar. If you're new here and that sounds like your kind of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you click the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. So today's lesson is going to be a really quick lesson. I'm going to show you how to play that chord progression you just heard. But before we get started on that, I just want to say a massive thank you to anyone who's listened to my single Shimmer and left a comment or shared it. The support has been amazing and it's really, really greatly appreciated. If you haven't checked out the song yet, head down to the description. The link's there for you to check it out. So let's get started with the lesson. So we're playing in the key of F sharp minor, and these are the chords. So we're playing an F sharp minor 9. Then we're moving to a C sharp minor 7. So you can play it like that, but in this instance, we're going to use our index finger to just bar the 9th fret, okay? Because we've got this pentatonic little lick that we're playing afterwards. Okay, so I'm just hammering on, pulling off the 12th fret of the B string, the 11th fret of the G string, and then hammering on the 11th fret of the D string. Then we're moving to a B minor 7. So we're playing the B minor 7, then adding a little 9th on at the top. So we're playing the 9th fret of the high E string, and then playing the 7th fret of the high E string. And that 9th fret is being hammered on from the 7th fret really quickly, like that. Then we're playing an E7, and then we're playing an F diminished 7th chord. Okay? Diminished 7th chords work really, really well if you play them a semitone before the next chord. So we're going back into our F sharp minor 9, and a semitone below that would be F. So we play the F diminished 7th chord before the F sharp minor 9. Something I didn't mention at the beginning when we're playing this F sharp minor 9 is that we're sliding our little finger up to the 10th fret. Okay, that creates an F sharp minor 7 chord. And then we're taking this index finger and placing it on the high E string at the 7th fret, and then we get an F sharp minor 11 chord. Okay? Now another little detail that just adds a little bit of groove to the riff is if you can slap your strings like that on beat number 3, that's where a snare would usually go on the drum kit. I did it on the F sharp minor 9, and I did it on the B minor 7. It was quite difficult to do on the other chords. There, and then there. If you would like the tab for this particular riff, then head down to the description, it's available there. And if you want to learn how to create chord progressions like this from scratch, then you can grab my book Chord Charisma. I'm offering the first 2 chapters of the book Chord Charisma for free. Those first 2 chapters are going to show you how to write a basic chord progression to start off with, and then extend those chords using 9ths, 11ths, and 13ths. All these cool embellishments you can put into your chords. It will make your chord progression sound nice and jazzy and sophisticated. It's completely free, and it's just the first 2 chapters of the book. So imagine what the rest of the book will do for your playing. So I'd like to thank all of my patrons here for supporting the channel. The support is massively, massively helpful and appreciated. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.